now that you have your story created, we're going to add images of the emojis that you selected to use in your story. So I'm going to hit enter 2 times to come down here, and then I'm going to go up to the word insert, and it says images. Now, if I was searching the web to find a clip art picture, I could do that. I can upload them from my computer. But I have shared a folder in your Google Drive to access. So we're going to click on Drive. And then there's a section over here that says shared with me. When I click on that, I'm going to have a folder that's called emoji images. Inside of there, now I see the images that I downloaded. So one of my images was an ant. So I would click on it and then tell it to insert. Now, right now, I can't move it anywhere. But if I click on it and I tell it to wrap text, now I can move that picture around. I can resize that image to be bigger or smaller by getting the corners. This little circle up here even lets me twist that picture around if I wanted my ant to be facing a different way. So now that I have that picture, I can put it on there where I want, how big or small I need it to be. And then I would click off of the image because I don't want it to still be selected. If I have it still selected, then when I go to put in a new picture, it'll replace it and then I won't see my ant anymore. So then I would go back into insert, image, drive, and I would find my next picture. So a baby. So I'm going to insert it. I can either click insert or I can double click, wrap text, make it a little bigger. And then my last one, insert, image, drive, find my cake, and insert it. Now, if you did more than 3 images, then you would put whichever images you had done in your story. Next thing you're going to do is upload it to me.